Hey guys, you all ready for a special bonus episode from the Florida RV Supershow? For once, it's not our child crying in the background. We are in one of the exhibition buildings, and in here they have a couple of coaches here that are well north of $1 and $2 million.
Pretty swanky.
You have to like take your shoes off to go inside. Yeah. So we're going to see which ones we can go in. We're going to show off as much as we can with them. And then we also have a bonus Bunk model across the way here. This Airstream has a model with bunks in it.
They do.
It's not a bunk house, but it has bunks.
Yes.
So let's check these monsters out.
Let's do it.
Then put our shoes back on and then go check out the Airstream.
Yes.
Alright, shoes are off.
Shoes are off. Thank you.
What is this?
It's a marathon coach.
Whoa, Mommy, look at the handle. That's crazy.
It's a swoop, that's like an architectural handle.
Whoa, it feels
So we're coming up through the passenger seat here. Do not sit, Tara. Wow. Cockpit looks like a spaceship. Wow.
TV here.
Come on, Robin, leech it up. Alright, so we've got two. Oh, it's like those kind of springy recliner looking. Yeah, I've seen those before.
Giraffe babies in.
Yep.
Got a nice couch.
Look, there's a display cabinet.
Display cabinet for breakables.
Yeah, it's nice. And then the sink is almost invisible.
Look at the controllers.
That's a lot of controllers. I hope that's not just for this coach. Tara, the ceiling's pink. Now it's red.
Sorry, just don't open drawers.
Don't.
Sorry.
Okay. So we got a table over here.
Yeah.
Cabinets, another little architectural show-off space. I like the cycling colors. Oh, so you don't have to look at your ugly, you know, pedestrian microwave. You can pull this out and cover it. Yeah. And then, is that an induction cooktop, probably?
Wait, what is this?
Yes.
Yep.
Induction cooktop. Watch out, Karen.
Water and ice.
No. This is a coffee maker.
There's a coffee maker built in.
And then two ovens.
No, that's an oven and a wine cooler.
Wine cooler.
Yep, so we got a wine cooler, coffee maker, and espresso machine, probably.
And then wardrobe.
Yep.
Wait, did you see the shower?
Shower's over here.
Separate the shower.
Okay, so the water closet.
It's like a real shower. A big, huge mirror in there.
Oh,
Watch out. Excuse me.
it's like a sterling silver sink or something.
It's beautiful.
God, there's like 3 of them. Nobody wants that.
That's really
Oh, we can't.
yeah.
Okay, down at the end of the hall. We can't even go into the bedroom. So, whole bunch of storage over here. Huge bed. All this colored lighting continues all the way through the coach. The massive TV in there. Bunch of storage. So there's another... Oh, it's like a changing area. And a sink back there. Huh. This is fancy. Oh, we've got like a beach scene in here. Oh, it's like a fully tiled... Oh, it's like you just step into it, the whole thing is the shower. Wow. That is way bigger than our rig shower. Wow. Fancy. We've got digital control panels for everything. And there's these control panels here. Everything is very well labeled, and these are in like every room, so you can control everything from everywhere. And then of course a bookshelf. Wow, lots of windows. Okay, so this is the front view. They actually have like a little stairs so you can look in through the windshield if you don't want to take your shoes off, or if it's too busy to go in. So what did you say? It's a Marathon Coach H model?
H model.
And where are the prices?
According to Google, the new ones range in price from 1.8 to 2.5 million.
And I'm sure for shows they bring out the big guns.
Yes.
There was a lot of stuff in there.
There's a lot of fancy stuff in there.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. So exciting. Tara's looking at one of the Millennium luxury coaches. This one you can't go in. I don't know if you want to show her real quick.
Oh, yeah, okay. So Millennium luxury coaches. So this one, they don't even have open. They do private showings. I wonder if you have to like prove you can afford it or something. So you can just look in through the windshield. That's a huge windshield. All right, my shoes are still back over there.
Yeah.
All right, let's look at the outside accessories. So first of all, we have like a 65-inch TV. Another little wine cooler out here.
They come out and swing to the side.
Wow.
See that?
Yeah.
The doors.
Yes. It's like a hinged side door. And then a full,
And then
it's like a
only men
backyard
can cook
grill.
out here.
Yeah.
It's too tall for the rest of us.
That was an infrared grill.
Yes.
Jeez. Oh, all sorts of filters.
I just love the way that
Wow.
looks.
Yep. And then your hoses are on a reel.
Mm-hmm.
So your water hookup. See, I love that. Even though it's $1 million plus, you still gotta hook up your own water and dump
Yep.
your own waste.
Yep.
Or your butler does. I have a man for that.
Service.
Probably have a guy to like drive it places and you just come and stay in it.
Maybe. Though I think it would be fun to drive these.
I would be afraid.
Okay.
Something to, because of other people. I'm perfectly
yeah.
fine with my own skills driving, but other people.
Wow.
Ooh. Well, here's the business end. That's big. Ah. All right. So the first one that we went into. Let's look at the outside of this thing. This control panel is a little more fancy than mine.
A little bit.
A little bit. So it has individual water shutoffs for every single hot and cold at each of the water points on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then we also have door controls, cords, the sewer hose reels in and out by power.
So you don't have to touch it.
You can automatically fill your clean tank, turn your pumps on and on, dumps from a button,
Oh,
dump
my
status.
God. Did you
Holy
see this?
cow.
You have your own soap dispenser
Oh.
and paper towel dispenser.
Oh yeah.
That's fancy.
Yeah.
That is
Wow.
super fancy. I love
And like
this.
an outdoor gooseneck kind of hookup,
Wow.
freshwater inlet. Jeez. Jeez Louise.
Look at this. Look at this. Some of the decorative stuff from the inside.
Oh, you can see it on the
You
outside.
can see from the outside.
Yeah.
Isn't it like one of the largest
Man.
oil?
All right, let's go around the other side.
Oh my gosh, these wheels are so
Oh,
big.
here's another one you can see in the windshield. It is
Crazy
crazy.
lighting on the top.
All right, around the other side. This is the one we went inside. I need to come back and get my shoes. These monster wheels. So, big TV in here. There's probably like a car that comes out of one of these.
A little smart car.
Yeah. I've seen that.
All the windows.
Wow. All right, let me get my shoes on.
Okay.
Okay, so this is really cool.
Yes.
This is an empty one. It has nothing in it. This is just bare bones how they get it before they start customizing it for each order. So we're gonna go up in here. So this is as bare bones as you can get. This is, no, not at all. Oh, there's no air conditioning. Wow, look at that. It's like a school bus with nothing in it.
It is like a school bus with nothing
You can see
in
the
it.
slides. These are some beefy slide mechanisms. Good
Yeah.
Lord. So this is like a full, this is a full steel cage all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what the fully loaded one weighs. Wow. Oh, it has adaptive cruise control. Of course it does. Wow.
This is like some serious insulation.
Yeah, so this is not foam walls.
No.
This is real insulation.
I want to touch that.
Yeah, you can touch it. Yeah. This is sprayed in and then they scrape it off and the walls,
I thought
the walls just go
insulation
around
was
top
fiberglass.
not anymore. Use foam. Oh, there's some fiberglass in here though.
Because it's pink.
Telematics system.
Fiberglass, like if you touch fiberglass.
Oh look,
it happens.
comes with its own app. Of course it does.
So this
Wow.
is the bed.
So this is as far as you can go. The motor is down behind here, and obviously there's
Alright,
exhaust
well,
and stuff up in here.
No,
But
this is
this
where
is-
the bathroom was.
Yeah, the bathroom's here, but behind this wall,
Oh, behind that wall.
there's
yes.
stuff you can't go beyond.
Right.
So of course they put the bathroom here.
And they
And,
had the little vanity here, so
Yeah.
it had like the sink with the little round chair in
Yep.
the one we went in.
wow, look at these slide mechanisms. Look at this boxed steel,
This is so
huge teeth. Wow.
cool. These are no joke.
Yeah. Well, you're paying
Feel these lights.
you're paying 7 figures,
Feel it, mommy.
No, good. Yeah.
and then it's just windows. It's all windows.
It's just.
Except between the slides.
Mm-hmm.
It is all windows. Wow.
This is incredible.
Oh, that feels good.
And this here This is where Jeeves sits and drives you around.
Yes, well, you sit back and have your tea.
No, you don't have tea. You've got a wine cooler.
Okay, I'll have tea.
You've got a coffee maker. I'm sure beer fits well in that fridge. Woo, it's hot in there. All right, so
That was cool.
this isn't even like a life goal. I don't even
No.
want one.
No,
It's too much.
too much money.
If I won like $1 billion or something, I'd be like, oh, sure. Why not?
I'd probably buy a boat with a helipad.
That's a lot more than $2 million.
Okay. As you can tell, I have no concept of what
Yeah,
things cost.
but in terms of like ridiculous, overpriced, over-featured RVs, I would be like, hey, build me a bunkhouse.
Build me a bunkhouse. I want a bunkhouse in one of these. Bring my children with me.
Wow. All right, let's head across the building here and check out that Airstream real quick.
Yeah. Okay, so Airstream has one that has bunks. Remember Airstreams, most of them, 90% of them do not have slides.
We saw one in Las Vegas.
We did
a
see
used
one with a slide.
It was weird.
It's very weird. But these ones that we have here don't have any slides. So when we go in, what you see is what you get.
It is very nice though.
It is very nice and it's always very well made. And very light.
And I love that they have maintained their stainless aluminum exterior.
What was Papa
And
right?
the
It's
rivets.
just so classy looking.
Papa, what were you right?
It's all riveted so it stays together.
No doorbell on this model.
Oh, no doorbell. Huh, doesn't have the glowy handle either. Alrighty.
Okay, so...
Ouch.
Oh, already fell for us.
What?
It's just the accordion like shade that closes the door here.
How's that a party foul for us?
Because we don't like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, of course, Airstream, really, really nice. They use every inch they possibly can. So even though the outside is curved, all of these cabinets are built to fit. Everything fits. Everything has a place. There's no slides to hide things, no trickery. It's all on the surface. So here are the bunks.
Yep. Top bunk is small and skinny. Bottom bunk is like a double bed.
Yeah.
So, you know, if we were to use this, we'd probably
there's-
pop Ben up here and put Ben or Brooke and Tara down
And
here.
there's storage under there too. There's like a little curved door that opens up.
Yep. It just hits that.
Yep.
And then there's
Some tubs.
some tubs.
Yep. So the bottom one here is actually a really, really good size. It's like
Yes.
a double bed.
Mm-hmm. That's
And
why I
then
said we could
there's-
probably put both of the girls there.
TV, reading light, a little ledge here, some switches. There's a little cubby up here that has 2 shelves. But the top up here, it's a max weight of 150, so you're really not going to get anyone big up in here. Great for kids though. But Tara, I remember when we first saw this model, Tara had trouble climbing up there.
She did. That's why I was saying it would
Yeah.
probably be Ben, and we would put him up there.
Yeah, and then it kind of like hangs from the ceiling. It's
That's why there's such a
That's
low limit.
probably why the weight limit is so low.
Show them the bathroom.
And then
Show
the
them
bathroom,
It's bigger than I thought it would be.
yeah, they do good sized bathrooms. So nice sink with some counter space, plenty of room around the toilet, and then it's a tight shower, but big enough. And then there's windows here for some natural light.
Mm-hmm.
And then everything. I mean, I love the way Airstream does stuff. It's very nice, very smooth, it's very comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
It's all very well made.
They make a quality product, that's
do.
for sure. It's just a little tight for us.
Yeah. Alrighty. Hope
like
you
that?
enjoyed that little bonus episode.
Yeah.
So 4 expensive RVs. This one, not near as much
No.
as the first couple.
No.
So those coaches are cool. I don't think I would ever get one unless like that much money was literally nothing.
Right.
And that's pretty crazy. So we just have a guy drive it somewhere.
That's right.
Yeah. So those are cool though. I actually really like being able to go on empty.
Yeah, I did
Yeah.
too.
It's cool. So that shows you that, you know, you get the shell and then you're probably working with someone
To
or a
customize
team of
every part of it.
someone's to customize every inch of those coaches.
Mm-hmm.
That's really cool. I'd love to see more about that process
Yeah.
without having to pay for it.
Right. Maybe we'll go and visit the
Factory.
find the factory and go check it out.
Yeah. And then the Airstreams are great. Airstreams are beautiful. They're classic.
Always
They're
nice.
timeless. It's nice that they have one that has a couple extra beds in it, and then the dinette in there also drops down, so you could actually sleep 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8 people in there. Not too bad. So I think that's going to do it for us from the Florida RV Supershow 2019.
Yep.
So thanks guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know down below when you're going to buy your Prevost coach.
Yeah, right.
And all the options, and also where we can come camp with you.
Right, that'd be great. We'll just sleep out under your awning.
Yeah, there's lights out there. Yeah, and a TV.
Right.
And a couch. And yeah, there's all sorts of stuff.
It's gonna be great.
All right, guys. Thanks.
We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.